Hey guys, thanks for watching today's video. If you want to see more from us, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. The life of a vlogger. Little South African coffee, even though we're in Malawi. They have Malawian coffee. I'm going for that next. It just wasn't ready. Love this little backyard. So also, in case you guys didn't know, Malawi is called the warm heart of Africa. And I hear it's called that because of the people here are so friendly. Make sure to follow our social media accounts where we'll be posting more content related to this YouTube channel. Look at this little candlelight dinner. So romantic we come out to. We have to find out the name of our friend who's the chef. We'll introduce you guys in a minute. He did this for us, set it all up. So we have Pius here, serving our first meal. And what is this? How do you say it?
It's vegetable pancel with the sweet chili.
Okay,
Yes.
thank you. It smells really good. You see in there, I kind of not devoured because I didn't even touch it yet, but I wanted to show you guys what's inside. A bunch of vegetables wrapped in this little, I don't know, what'd you call this? Is like a...
Like bread.
Yeah, pastel. So I enter the living room and look who I find. A barman. What do you got for me? Oh, look.
I know you want red wine.
I like red wine.
Okay, sure.
It's in the fish. Look, they even have peanuts here for you. Oh, I could have one at least. They're dry peanuts, no salt. So healthy. Oh, look, boxed red wine. I don't know. Those peanuts are good. Ah, this is a typical alcohol, but this is like kind of, I think it's like chocolatey. But this is like a typical alcohol from, I think it's from South Africa. I have to double check on that. I'll get back to you. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with red wine. This is more like a dessert. This is milky. It's kind of like Kahlua, milky, chocolatey, but it definitely is from South Africa.
Cheesecake. This is
Strawberry cheesecake.
Strawberry cheesecake. Yes.
delicious.
Here, my left hand, it's a fruit mice pie.
Ah,
Yes, with custard on top.
it looks delicious.
Yes.
You are quite the cook, we have to
Thank
admit.
you.
We are really enjoying this three-course
Thank you.
meal.
Yes, enjoy your dessert.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
So I am out of my mind full, but we just got this dessert because we did get the three-course meal. I didn't even choose that. That's usually one course is enough for me, but that's what it came with, so. And we have strawberry cheesecake on that side, and this side is like a fruit, I forgot what's the name. Like a fruit pie, something like that. But,
Fruit cake.
oh, it looks good though, with a orange garnish. Fruit cake for my fruit cake. No, joking. That's me, actually, I'm the one eating that. All right, yay. Let's eat. Let's see if I can do it. Sugar overload. Make sure to follow our social media accounts where we'll be posting more content. Our first day, well, second day technically, but first day having breakfast in Malawi, waking up in Malawi, I should say. Fruit cocktail, granola with yogurt, peanut butter, my favorite, Malawi coffee, which is delicious. I love the Malawi coffee. This little souvenir on here. You untie it here, and inside there's little postcards and card for business. You can use with these birds to send to loved ones or just to yourself. All the numbers we need and directions in this side to get to our next location. All printed out, nice and neat. Such nice touches. I don't know if it's just 'cause I'm a girl, but I recognize and appreciate these.